So you can use Bohemicus to keep business records of your translation business. And there are two things that you need to do first before you are actually able to keep records. And that's set up your customer base and also set up your currencies. So first things first, so let's set up some customers. And you can do that by clicking this Add Edit Customer button. So you just click it, and as you can see, I already have two customers here. So I can add a new one by just clicking this new button here. I click new button, and as you can see, the main thing you need to do now is to enter your customer's name. So I don't know, let's add some extrans agency. So the name of my customer will be extrans. I could now also add customer invoicing data and invoicing email, and also my default message for this customer, and also some note. I could also change my invoicing address for this customer and my bank connection for this customer. But all these things can also be done after you have set up your customers. It can be done later. So the first thing that you need to do is to enter the customer's name. That's the most important thing. As soon as you do this, you can just click Save, and your new customer will be added to your list. You can add as many customers as you need, but for now, let's say I have these 3 customers in total, so I can just click Close. The other thing that you will need to do is to set up your currencies. This can be very easily done by clicking this Add Edit Currency. As you can see, I already have euro, so I could add, for instance, also US dollars. So you can just simply click this new button, and you add your designation of your new currency. So in this case, this will be US dollars, so USD. You can add some note if you want to. So let's say my secondary currency, and you just click Save. Yes. And as you can see, my new currency, US dollars, has been added to my list, so I can just click Close now. And now I'm basically set up to keep business records of my translation business. So if I want to add a new business record, then it's very easy. I just click this new sale or purchase. It's here. Now this dialog window appears, so I can just select my customer. So let's select this newly added customer. I need to select the currency. Let's say that this customer will be in US dollars. Of course, the price, so I don't know, maybe $42. You can also add your purchase order code. So let's say, I don't know, ABC789. Optionally, you can also add word count. I don't know, maybe 540 words. You also need to decide if this is sale or purchase, because you can deliver your translations to your agencies, but you can also buy translations from other translators or from other agencies. So in this case, it's a sale. It's a sale for me. I'm selling them my services, and you can also add some notes here if you choose so, and you just click Save. And as you can see, your newly added sale will be added to this table. If I now double click this, I can see all the entered data, and I could also possibly change them. I could change the date, I could of course change the price, the customer, I could change everything if I wanted to. And you can just keep pressing new sale, new purchase to add other sales or purchases, and you will gradually get a long table of your sale and purchases. And as soon as you are ready to invoice all the work you have done, you have delivered to your customers, then you need to do one thing first. You need to select the customer you would like to invoice to. So in this case, let's say I would like to invoice to Equivatrans. So as you can see, the view will also change. And also I need to select the currency I would like to invoice in. So in this case, it will be euro. And as soon as I have selected my customer and my currency, I can just click the invoice button, which is here. And as you can see, Bohemicus will create a very nice invoice for me. There are a couple of things that are very important. So first of all is the invoice number. This will be automatically numbered by increasing it by 1. So every time you create and save an invoice, this will be increased by 1, this invoice number. You can also add optionally invoice designation and also invoice name format. You can change it. That means you can change how this invoice designation is created. Also, what's important, you can change the issue date. So in this case, it's October 23, 2021, but I could change it if I wanted to. And also, standardly, there is this 30 days invoice, net days, but I could change that. Also, you can include tax. And of course, as soon as you click it, it will be automatically mirrored to this invoice view. And also I could change client's address or my address, or I could change the payment method. It depends on me. And also I could change this logo here and also my signature. This can be changed very easily by just drag and dropping the PNG file onto these fields. So if you have a PNG file with your logo, you can just drag and drop it here onto this field. The same with the signature. And as you can see, every time you change something in your invoice, so for instance, we could change the invoice number, it will be automatically reflected in the invoice. If it's not reflected, you can click this update preview. So watch this invoice number here. So when I click the update preview, it will be updated. As you can see, it's been updated here. And now you can also click this button, export to PDF, which is very, very useful because like this, you can actually save it to your disk. So as you can see, as soon as you click it, save as a dialog window will appear, and you can now save your PDF to wherever you wish. You can, of course, also print your invoice if you wish. So you just select your printer and you can print it. And then as soon as you are finished, you can just click Save and Close. If you click Save and Close, then this number, this invoice number, will be automatically increased by 1 and next time you create an invoice. Or you can simply click Cancel. In this case, this invoice number will stay the same next time you try to create an invoice. And that's about it. That's how you keep track of your business records using Bohemicus.